some good, because I fish a lot of ponds, some good pond fishing advice is a lot of guys want to get out there and they just start casting straight out into the center. But in ponds, a lot of the fish are always going to be pretty close to the bank, or if you can see any, there's any structure, they're always on there. It's pond fishing is a little bit more simpler and easier to find them than on a big lake. But oh, there's one. Ah, see, man, the bite is not great today. I mean, they're hitting, but it's not, can't get them hooked up. May switch to another Senko in a second, a little bit bigger one, try and weed out those little fish. But anyway, just try and fish by the banks. Because like what I'm doing right now, if you cast out in the center, you won't catch anything, but they're all, I mean, you may catch a few, but a lot of these fish are stacked right on the edge of this algae. Just working it slow. I've got some algae on it. But yeah, this pond's recently had just a major algae bloom, and that's helped a lot. But if y'all can see, I'm using a bluegill color. There's quite a few bluegill in this pond. This is one I fish quite a bit. This is the first video I've done here, but line getting tangled up. So you just move along, cast alongside the banks. Good steady retrieve with this. There's one. Not bad. Oh, I spoke too soon. Just a little acrobat, but there's another one. Oh, look at that hook set. Right in there. See, look, they're tearing this thing up, but try and catch a few more on this. I like to make plastics last as long as possible. For some reason, this side of the pond's got a lot more fish stacked up on this side. They're aggressive right now too. It's a good thing. There's another one. These aren't very big, but they fight hard. Ooh. Lost a Senko on that one. Long and skinny. Have to get another one out. So right here, I use typically smaller Senkos when I'm fishing a smaller pond or area, and I think this is the 4-inch. This is from Yum. It's just in a bluegill color, and it's been one of my favorite ones to use. It's really more of a finesse bait than anything, and I'm just fishing this weightless right now, and just floating down slow, and they'll grab it on the fall. Almost fishing it like you would a fluke. They're tearing it up. That's the 3rd or 4th one I've actually caught, and then I've hooked. There's another hit I just missed, but man, they'll hit just for a split second. By far the most effective technique is just a real subtle entry. Up on the bank, boop, splash, and then they'll just annihilate it. There's one. Quick release. That's about the 5th one I've caught so far. But these little things are a whole lot of fun. Great thing to do is just get on Google Maps, use it, and you can find some great ponds near you. It's not very big at all, but look at that. This fish just choked that. This is the, I think it's the little, it's from Mad Baits. Just got this crankbait in from a buddy. This thing is sweet. It's a perfect crankbait for crappie, for a white bass that are in your area, and for us targeting smaller, high-pressured bass. I'm gonna have to get my pliers to get this out. This thing choked it though. Look at that. These actually have VMC hooks, and here's the package it came in. This is the Little George from Mad Bites, and this thing is great. I didn't have my pliers with me, so I've got to try and utilize these scissors. I want to get this guy. Where I have to go find my pliers. That's one thing I got to do. Ah, shoot.